Hey everyone, as the fourth quarter of the year approaches, the Chinese smartphone market turns into a fierce battleground for flagship devices. Traditionally, companies like Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo compete head-to-head during this period, unveiling their most advanced smartphones. In 2024, this trend continues with Vivo having already revealed its flagship lineup, while Oppo is preparing to introduce its Find X8 series next week. Xiaomi, meanwhile, is gearing up to launch the highly anticipated Xiaomi 15 series shortly after Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 announcement on October 21st. Despite being on the horizon, Xiaomi has been surprisingly quiet about the specifications and design of its upcoming Xiaomi 15 series, especially the base model. However, insider tipster Yogesh Brar recently revealed key specs that offer a glimpse into what Xiaomi fans can expect from the next flagship device. The Xiaomi 15 will reportedly sport a 6.36-inch 1.5K flat AMOLED display, a feature nearly identical to the Xiaomi 14 in both size and resolution. While specific brightness levels haven't been confirmed, earlier rumors suggest that the Xiaomi 15 will introduce the TCL Waxing C9 display panel, which could potentially enhance brightness and color accuracy. For context, the Xiaomi 14 delivered 1,000 nits of brightness under direct sunlight and reached a peak brightness of 3,000 nits during high-definition video playback. The Xiaomi 15 is likely to improve on these numbers. A significant upgrade over its predecessor is the 5,500 mAh battery, a jump from the Xiaomi 14's 4,610 mAh capacity. While this capacity is slightly smaller compared to rivals like the Oppo Find X8 and Vivo X200 Pro Mini, it represents a meaningful improvement for Xiaomi's flagship. Charging is expected to remain robust, with support for 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. At the heart of the Xiaomi 15 is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, Qualcomm's latest flagship chip. This processor, which promises superior performance and efficiency over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, is expected to position the Xiaomi 15 as a top contender in the premium smartphone market. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Xiaomi 15 is its triple camera system. The phone is expected to feature 350-megapixel cameras, including an OV50H primary sensor. This marks a shift from the previous Light Fusion 900 sensor used in the Xiaomi 14. In addition to hardware improvements, the Xiaomi 15 series will introduce Xiaomi's HyperOS 2.0 based on Android 15. This new operating system is expected to deliver a more fluid user experience, offering deeper integration with the hardware and AI-driven optimizations for smoother multitasking and enhanced customization options. As Xiaomi prepares to launch its 15 series, it enters a competitive space with the likes of Vivo and Oppo, both of which are releasing flagship devices around the same time. Xiaomi's focus on enhancing display brightness, upgrading battery capacity, and integrating cutting-edge camera technology may give it the necessary edge to stand out in this year's flagship wars. However, with intense competition from Oppo's Find X8 and Vivo's latest offerings, the battle for flagship dominance is far from settled. Whether Xiaomi can reclaim the spotlight and outperform its rivals will ultimately depend on how well it delivers on the promises surrounding the Xiaomi 15 series. All eyes are now on the October 21st announcement, where the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will pave the way for a new generation of flagship smartphones. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new generation? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.